In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your Cinema 4D design as a JPEG. Before we jump in, a quick note on what we're doing. Saving a JPEG from Cinema 4D involves rendering your scene, which is different from just taking a screenshot of the viewport. Rendering applies lighting, materials, and effects properly, so you get a clean, polished image ready to share. Start by opening the render settings. You can do this by clicking the render settings icon in the top toolbar, or by using the shortcut Control+B on Windows or Command+B on a Mac. This window is where you define exactly how your image will be produced. In the render settings, go to the output section to set your resolution. Resolution determines the size and clarity of the final image. For most uses, 1920 by 1080 pixels is a solid choice, but you can go higher for print or detailed work. Keep in mind that larger sizes take longer to render. Make sure you're rendering the frame you want. Typically, that's the current frame if you're exporting a still. If you're working with a custom aspect ratio, double-check that width and height match your intended layout so your design isn't stretched or cropped unintentionally. Next, switch to the Save tab. This is where you choose the file format. From the Format dropdown, select JPG. JPEG is a widely supported format that's great for web, presentations, and quick sharing because it balances quality and file size. You'll also see a quality or compression slider in this area. Higher quality means less compression and cleaner results, but a larger file. If you're posting online, a mid to high setting usually looks great without ballooning the file size. If you spot options for color profile, sRGB is a safe default for screens. With your output and format set, it's time to render. Click Render to Picture Viewer. You'll find this in the Render menu or as a button near the top of the interface. Cinema 4D will process your scene, and you'll see progress in the picture viewer. Once it finishes, the image will be generated as a JPEG. If you didn't specify a save path earlier, Cinema 4D may prompt you to choose a location and file name. Pick a folder you'll remember and confirm the save. That's it. You opened Render Settings, set your resolution, chose JPG in the Save tab, and rendered to the picture viewer to generate and save your image. Keep these settings handy and you'll be exporting clean JPEGs from Cinema 4D in no time.